What's he doing? Whack it, Logan.
Oh my god.
Ugh! Stupid bee. Okay, do it again. Oh, now he's cleaning himself.
Come on, ball.
Whack it. There you go.
Where'd it go?
It flew that way. Bee problems.
Oh, you don't get any attention anymore, do you?
Bo, do your airplane thing again. Do it again! There you go. Well, and I wouldn't sit on that. Because you're making this cage wobbly, you might make it fall off or something, or make the deal tip.
Yeah, I got it. Get it off of me.
Just set up this cage for him today. I don't know the exact measurements, but it's big.
Oh, nice ball.
He's a little lovebird, so use that for size.
Pretty bird. Come here. Give me. Hi. Hi, pretty bird.
Ooh.
Are you cold or something? You're shaking.
He's always got that little thing when he's outside.
70 degrees out. You should be cold.
Yep, it's at least 70. Probably
In the middle of
74 or something in the sun. Yeah, middle of winter. 70 degrees in North Dakota.
Just saying how unpredictable it can be.
Sing, Bo. Sing. Sing. There.
Oh, that? Someone just didn't move my foot.
Take it away, do it again. Why are you wearing my socks?
They're not yours.
Yeah, they're my socks. You're getting them all dirty and they're new. Go take them off.
They were in my drawer.
Say bye-bye, Bo. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There we go. Say bye-bye.